This portion of Fox 6 News is sponsored by Princeton Baptist Medical Center.
Princeton Baptist Medical Center has the Da Vinci robotic surgical system with high definition and 3D technology. This system allows for smaller incisions and faster recovery for patients. I'm Jennifer Dodd with this Baptist Health Minute.
Prostate cancer is the second most common cancer diagnosed in men in the United States behind skin cancer. Here at Princeton, we utilize the Da Vinci robot system as a minimally invasive surgical treatment option for prostate cancer. This provides 3D magnification and high-definition vision. This enhanced visualization allows for preservation of small blood vessels and nerves, which increase the chance of regaining erectile function and continence. The advantages of robotic prostate surgery include less catheterization, less blood loss, shorter recovery time, less hospitalization, in which the patient typically goes home the next day, and smaller incisions.
For more information, please call 1-877-222-7847.